Unit 5. Tape script 5.1. Sports.
Tennis, football, swimming, skiing.
Food.
Italian food. Chinese food. Pizza. Hamburger. Oranges. Ice cream.
Drinks.
Tea, coffee, Coke, beer, wine.
Tape script 5.2. Things I like.
I like ice cream.
I like football.
Tape script 5.3. Negatives.
I don't like tennis.
I don't like coffee.
Tape script 5.4. Harvey.
What do I like? Well, I like sports a lot, but not all sports. I like football, American football, of course, and I like skiing, but I don't like tennis, and, I don't like swimming very much. And food and drink? What do I like? Well, I like hamburgers and pizza. I like Italian food a lot, but not Chinese food. I don't like Chinese food, and I don't like tea. Tea is for the English. I'm American, so I like coffee sometimes. And Coke, of course. I love Coke.
Tape script 5.5.
Do you like football?
Yes, I do.
Do you like tennis?
No, I don't.
Tape script 5.6. Harvey and Eva.
Harvey and Eva, you're twins. Do you like the same things?
Well, we really like pizza.
Oh, yes, it's delicious. We have pizza a lot at home and in restaurants.
So, do you like the same food?
Well, we both like ice cream.
It's fantastic.
But we really don't like tea, do we, Harvey?
No, we don't. Ugh, it's awful.
And you both like sports?
Yes, we do. We like skiing.
Yeah, we like skiing a lot. It's really exciting.
And I love football. It's great.
No, it isn't. It's awful.
Tape script 5.7. Colin Brodie.
Hello, my name's Colin Brodie. I come from Dundee in Scotland, but now I live and work in London. I have a very small flat near the centre. I live there with 2 friends. I'm a waiter, and I'm also a drama student. I work part-time in an Italian restaurant. I eat Italian food, and I drink Italian and French wine. I don't drink beer. I don't like it. I speak 2 languages, Spanish and French, but I don't speak Italian, and I don't play sports. I want to be an actor.
Tape script 5.8. 1.
Hello, Colin. Nice to meet you. Where do you come from?
I come from Scotland, from Dundee.
2.
Do you live in Dundee?
No, I don't. I live and work in London.
3.
Do you live with friends?
Yes, I do. I live with 2 friends.
4.
Where do you work?
I work in an Italian restaurant.
5.
Do you like Italian food?
Yes, I do. I like it a lot.
6.
Do you drink Italian wine?
Yes, I do. I drink wine, but I don't drink beer. I don't like it.
7.
Do you like your job?
No, I don't. I want to be an actor.
8.
Do you speak Italian?
No, I don't. I speak Spanish and French, but I don't speak Italian.
Tape script 5.9. Conversation 1.
Goodbye, guys. Time for work.
Bye, Colin.
See you later.
Yeah, very late tonight.
Oh, yes. It's Friday.
Yes, I work late on Fridays. Bye.
Conversation 2.
Good evening. Do you want to order?
Oh, yes. We both want pizzas.
Yes, 2 pizza margaritas, please.
Fine. And do you want wine?
Oh, yes, we do. Do you have a wine list?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Conversation 3.
OK. Colin and Anna, come here.
What do you want?
I want you to read it again with Anna. OK? You are Romeo. Anna is Juliet, of course.
Fine. Oh, Romeo! Romeo, where...
No, terrible. You love Romeo, really love him. Again.
Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo?
Conversation 4.
Hello?
Hi, Mum.
Oh, hello, Colin. Donald, it's your big brother. Colin, how are you?
I'm fine, Mum. Really fine.
Do you like your flat?
Yes, I do. But it's a bit small for 3 people.
Oh, yes, it is small. But do you like your work?
No, I don't. Not really. But I like the food.
Oh, yes, Italian food is good.
Yeah, but I like your food the best, Mum. It's delicious.
Oh, oh, thank you, Colin. Now, do you want to speak to your brother?
Yes, of course. Hi, Donald. It's your brother.
Tape script 5.10. Languages and nationalities.
England. English. Germany. German. Italy. Italian. Mexico. Mexican. Brazil. Brazilian. Japan. Japanese. Portugal. Portuguese. China. Chinese. France. French. The United States. American. Spain. Spanish.
Tape script 5.11. What language do they speak? 1.
In Brazil, they speak Portuguese.
2.
In Canada, they speak English and French.
3.
In France, they speak French.
4.
In Germany, they speak German.
5.
In Italy, they speak Italian.
6.
In Japan, they speak Japanese.
7.
In Mexico, they speak Spanish.
8.
In Egypt, they speak Arabic.
9.
In Spain, they speak Spanish.
10.
In Switzerland, they speak German, French, and Italian.
Tape script 5.12. What's this? Where's it from? 1,
It's an American car.
2,
It's German beer.
3,
They're Spanish oranges.
4,
It's a Japanese camera.
5,
It's Mexican food.
6,
It's an English dictionary.
7,
It's an Italian bag.
8,
It's Brazilian coffee.
9.
It's French wine.
Tape script 5.13. At a party.
Hello, I'm Flavia Rossi. What's your name?
Hi, Flavia. I'm Terry Adams.
Do you work here in London, Terry?
Well, I work in London, but I don't live in London. I live in Brighton.
And what's your job?
I'm an actor. What's your job, Flavia? Do you work in London?
Yes, I do. I work in a hotel. A big hotel near here.
Flavia, you aren't English, but you speak English very well. Where do you come from?
I come from Italy. From Napoli. Or Naples, I think you say.
Ah, Italy. I love Italy.
Oh, do you know Naples?
No, I don't. I don't know Naples, but I know Rome. I like Rome very much. It's very beautiful.
Naples is beautiful too. Do you speak Italian, Terry?
No, I don't. I speak French, but I don't speak Italian.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Terry.
You too.
Tape script 5.15. Prices.
30p, 50p, 75p, £1, £20, £75, £1.60, £3.45, £22.80.
Tape script 5.15. Prices.
30p, 50p, 75p, £1, £20, £75, £1.60, £3.45, £22.80.
Tape script 5.16. Prices.
60p, 97p, £17, £70, £25, £1.50, £16.80, £40.75, £26.99, €20, €50, $100.
Tape script 5.17. How much is it? 1.
The cheese sandwich is £2.90.
2.
The football is £14.
3.
The iPhone is £90.95.
4.
The beer is £3.50.
5.
The dictionary is £7.50.
6.
The pair of jeans is £50.
7.
The chocolate is 60p.
8.
The bag is £44.99.